When I say bananas, you say peppers. And it feels like forever since I've done that greeting, and I knew with doing vlogoween and daily uploads on my main channel, Graveyard Girl, that unfortunately I wouldn't be able to visit you guys too many times this month, but I do have a couple of special mystery figure things to unbox that are Halloween related, so I figured instead of doing them in November this year, let's just try extra hard and open them with you guys in October. So hopefully this isn't going to be too much overload if you are watching my main channel every single day, but I know some of you guys just watch this channel or just that channel, so I didn't want to like abandon you guys who only watch this channel for like an entire month. But today, you guys, I am so excited to open these mystery figures. They are some of my absolute favorite figures ever to collect, and you guys already know what they are. They are Sonny Angels, and every year for probably the past 3 or 4 years, I have always gotten some of the Halloween series. Now, I'm thinking that this year, maybe like collectors are more avidly seeking them than ever because these were nearly impossible to get any this year. As soon as they were coming in stock, they've been selling out, and so I was able to snag 4 of them. So today's video isn't gonna be super duper long, but I at least wanted to pop in, say hello, and unbox these Halloween Angels with you guys. So we do have 4 boxes to unbox, and there are 4 characters. So maybe we will get lucky and get no repeats and get 1 of each and have a full collection anyway. Normally with Sonny Angels, there are like 4 or 5 different kinds and 1 secret, but it looks like there are 4 main kinds this year and 3 different secrets. So it looks like there's 2 different secret Sonny Angels, and then the little sidekick, ROBBY. I never remember if his name is Robbie or Rodney, but we talked a lot about him last time. It has been my quest as a Sonny Angel collector to find a ROBBY, like the little sidekick. He looks so adorable, but he's extremely hard to find. So I do have like a little miniature story to tell you guys about that, but we'll go ahead and start opening box number 1 as I tell you. Anyway, as I unbox this one, the story is last time I unboxed Sonny Angels, I was telling you guys like how much I've always wanted to find a Robbie, Rodney, and another Sonny Angel collector commented on my video and said that how you can find them is to take like a food scale or something that has like really good weight measurement and weigh each box, because this person who commented said that the sidekick always comes with a Sonny Angel as well. So you do get a box supposedly with 2 figures inside of it. So some people say that's how you can tell is by putting it on a food scale, and then like the heaviest one out of the case will have a ROBBY in it. Ooh, okay, so the first one we got is the Ghost. And this is actually, I think, the one I was hoping for out of the 4 variants that I can see the most, because you guys know how much I love all things ghostly. So he's so cute. It almost looks like a little like marshmallow whip on his head. I think it says Dreamy Halloween on the stomach, and their heads, I thought, turned. Maybe not this one. And then, of course, Sonny Angels always have their signature wings. So that was kind of the funny thing is the employees at Toy Joy overheard me say to Dogman, I was like, oh my gosh, I forgot to bring a food scale, because the next time we went to Austin, I was going to bring one to measure Sonny Angels. And even though obviously like I was just going to get all 4 of these, there were tons of other Sonny Angel collections that they had that also have the secret figure in it. Like they've got like fruits, vegetables, animals, all kinds of different collections. So I was hoping to be able to measure and like find a ROBBY somewhere, but it was kind of funny because the Toy Joy employees overheard us talking about this, and they say that they have actually tried that theory and that they've been collecting them for a really long time, like the employees at the store, and that they've never found a secret one, and even like finding the heaviest one using the food scale still didn't get them the secret one. So I don't know, you guys. I think getting the Sonny Angel sidekick has to be like nearly impossible because I've bought whole cases before. I don't even think there's one in every case. Anyway, oh no, you guys, we got 2 ghosts in a row. Bam, bam. Not even like one of the secret variants, because that is what we got a couple of years ago. We got some of the same characters in the Halloween collection. Like we would get 2 ghosts, but one of the ghosts would be like a secret variant. It would be like an orange ghost or a purple ghost. Oh my gosh, you guys. 3rd box already, 2 repeats. Watch us just get 4 ghosts. Then what? Then we just smile and laugh. All right, next box. Box 3. This is gonna be our quickest unboxing ever, you guys. All right. Is it another ghost? Oh no! You guys, this is like somebody already came through with a food scale. Somebody knew that all these were repeat. This is incredible. This is really unfortunate. Oh no, you guys. Are we gonna get... Everyone's clicked off this video already. Are we gonna get another one? Another one. Oh, last one already. I wish I could have got more. I wish I could have got all not repeats. Oh my gosh. Well, at least this is like... It's the same but different. So we did end up getting one of the secret versions, and this explains my point perfectly, because we did get yet another ghost. I cannot believe it, you guys. This one is definitely like, if there was a trick or treat to this, this is definitely, we got tricked today. So this is like exactly what I was talking about though. So this is one of the secret kinds, I'm assuming, and it's a different color variant. So I think it is showing up kind of purpley on camera, but in real life, it's definitely more of like a baby pink with purple accents. So, oh, you guys, I wish we could have gotten any of the other ones. I might see if I can find more of these online. There's a witch and a pumpkin. I always love the pumpkins. And actually, I feel like these collections are like surprisingly similar year in and year out. Like I swear we've seen an owl, a ghost, a pumpkin, and a witch before, but they were just like in different color variations and all kinds of stuff like that. So, oh my gosh, you guys, it was kind of an epic fail today. I don't think we've ever, no, I've never had another unboxing in my life where it's like all 4 of the same exact things. But they are so cute. They are ghosts. We just have a whole army of baby ghosts now. Thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. And hopefully I'm gonna be doing some more unboxing videos and just other random, I don't know, I would like to show up on this channel more this month, but you guys just leave me your thoughts and opinions down below. Like, is it overload? Because then it's kind of like I'm uploading 2 videos in one day, or do you guys not mind? I would love to hear all you guys' thoughts and opinions down below. And until I see you guys again, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery, and hopefully I will see y'all again very, very soon.